Greetings and welcome everyone to Mahashivasthitaa, where I talk about energy. Here in session, we are talking about colors. Color has very much effect on energy world because color is also made of energy, and depending on their same vibrational energy, they encounter different subjects of purpose. These energies attract us. If I am talking on shape only, a person like round shape so much that he or she likes to buy round shape designed clothes. In a way, all kind of basically whatever the person will buy or create or use, you can find a round shape. He or she will keep round shaped designed material more. Same for as the choice of color. For our proper working and developed visual senses, we generally differentiate colors. The shades of color carries different kind of energies. How do they carry? Like smoke. The way it's shaped and it's spread exactly the way particular color depending on the structure of the cell of the cloth. The smoke wave of the energy flows. Example, if a design of a cloth is square or round or triangle or any other shape, the energy flows like this. What type of energy design is inside his or her energy body, that similar energy it will attract. Human body, there are several energy bodies surrounds. Depending on the quality, vibration, color, light, those design activate themselves. They have consciousness and they work accordingly. Those consciousness have different designs. Here, as I am discussing on the design and the structure of a thought or energy, as thought is also an energy, and thought is something which surrounds a human almost every time. Here is a human physical body, then several energy bodies like physical body, etheric body, emotional body, mental body, soul, aura. In every body, there are different types of design depending on the quality of thought, emotion, like-minded people's energy, whom the person is in contact with, their energy, almost similar type of energy a person has. Here you can see the figure of the differentiation of thought design with other person, or how a person's present design is affecting others. Now here I can understand the quality that design is shown clearly. But the more activate or strong the design is, that person will create more strong effect on others. As we know, strong is higher in vibration and it creates more effective energy on others. We have 3 persons here, Mrs. X, Mrs. Y and Mrs. Z. Is just for an example. So here we can find is Mrs. X's energy body that shows 2 types of energy. And most of the design in Mrs. X's energy body or her energy field is dot. This is one kind of energy she has, and another kind of energy she has is like cross, which is very less. So these are the 2 types of energy. Mrs. Y, in her energy field, for an example, she has 2 types of energy again, and that is dot and X. But here in the case of Mrs. Y, most of the energy here is in cross. The design of her energy is cross, which is very much in this case. And the dot energy, the design, is very less here. So in the case of Mrs. Y and Mrs. X, both of them are okay with the relationship they are sharing, or the bonding would be less because something is somehow is matching, but not that much. Coming in another person, the third person here, that is Mrs. Z. Mrs. Z is carrying one kind of energy, for an example, and it's a dot. So, with whom Miss Z will establish a good relationship? Obviously, with Mrs. X, because in both the cases, both of them are sharing the same energy design. In their energy bodies, the quality and the design are same. So Mrs. X and Mrs. Z, both of them, their bonding and their relationship would be much more stronger than others in these cases. And the bonding between Mrs. Y and Mrs. Z would be very less because it's not matching. It's very less. So that is how our energy body chooses the person whom we like or admire or like to be with them, because most of the energy field's design is matched. It's same. And whom we do not like or avoid, that is the energy is not in you. The person you are admiring, her or his energy is within you. That is how you're liking or exchanging the energy. That is how it's working. So till now it's clear that depending on the design and the structure of a unit of energy, it will attract similar energy. It could be with a person's energy body, clothes, food, accessories, artistic, designing material, etc. I'm writing about how a shape or a design of a structure of an energy and shades of color works in energy world. So this is for today. Thank you.